Hey guys, my name is Isaac Spoon and this is my YouTube channel. I do all kinds of firearm stuff and Sequoia overland off-road type stuff as well. I'm actually currently in the middle of finishing up my front bumper install, which you can see my winch and some other stuff I have back here from when I was actually installing it this last weekend. But I wanted to talk to you today about fire safety. So you can see here I have a setup that attaches simply to the two metal posts that come out of the headrest here, and it just velcros and cinches down onto several different sizes of fire extinguishers here. And I like this one because the gauge, when it's installed like this, the gauge is visible from the driver here. You can just quickly look and constantly check up on it. This is an ABC type fire extinguisher. I will have the link to this exact fire extinguisher down in the description below. It is an affiliate link, but I have no affiliation with this Adventure Trail Gear company. This is a Canadian company. It's handcrafted in Canada, and they have some really top-notch adventure gear. I have several different items from them, which I'll show here. But I've been very happy with their gear, and I cannot say how much I like this stuff. They have a lot of other gear that I don't have, but I'll show you kind of a close-up of this. So you can see here, Adventure Trail Gear. This is their logo here, handcrafted in Canada. And let me get in the back seat and I'll show you a little bit better view from the back. It's just nice and tucked away, out of the way, easily accessible for the driver. The fire extinguisher that I ended up getting is a little bit bigger than what he suggests for his dimensions. As you can see right here, it kind of sticks out a little bit farther to the left, but it's still in there pretty good. I don't foresee any issue with it staying in there. And like I said, it's very easily accessible from the driver's seat, and you can quickly check the charge gauge at the front right there. I will link this guy's website in the description below. Like I said, I don't have any affiliation with this guy at all. I just love his stuff. And I hope you guys take a look at it, and you maybe in the comments or something like that, if you do place an order with them, maybe just say that you are purchasing from my YouTube channel. Maybe we can work a deal out in the future if I send them a lot of business. But yeah, hope you guys find some usefulness out of this. The owner of Adventure Trail Gear, handmade in Canada, is actually in the Canadian military as well. So that's cool to support active military and veteran-owned companies all over the world. But yeah, I definitely suggest taking a look at his stuff. He's got a lot of items. He's got some stuff like a trasharoo that's it's like that rubberized weatherproof material, along with some other. He's got bags that can hold chainsaws, it can hold all kinds of stuff. So I definitely suggest taking a look at that. This is another one of his bags that I bought. You can see Adventure Trail Gear, made in Canada. This is all handmade. This is that rubberized material I was talking about. He has several different bags and different colors that are using this material, and he also makes those 5-pound propane tank holders out of this material as well, if you wanted to go that route. But this bag got a Velcro strip here. You can put whatever you want. Labels. It's got two net pockets on the side. You can see this. All this stuff is just really high quality stuff. This is like seatbelt material. The zipper is really high quality, and I'm gonna turn this into my recovery bag. I don't really have everything else out of my old one yet, but you can see there's a mesh pocket on the inside of here, on just that one side up there. But I mean, he's got all different sizes of bags, all different kinds of bags. He's got like a trasharoo, like I said, all different kinds of trail gear that I suggest you take a look at. So I hope you guys found this informational and interesting. Maybe it's always good to be ready in case of a fire, electrical fire, stove fire, any kind of fire when you're out in the middle of nowhere. If you did find this video useful, please hit that like and subscribe button. I've been trying to grow my channel out a lot lately. Comment, and thanks for all the support. I hope you're having a great day.